With a flurry of coronavirus vaccine stories hitting the news headlines, it can be hard to keep track. So I'm going to walk you through what's going on at the moment and why this is an exciting time for investors. According to the World Health Organization, there are currently 48 candidate vaccines in clinical evaluation, and the race is on to find a successful one or several. This is an especially exciting time for investors because successful results could mean a rise in stock prices. To get a vaccine ready for use, it has to go through 4 phases of vaccine creation. The first phase is when the vaccine is tested on a small group to test for adverse reactions to it. The second phase involves testing if the vaccine is safe for humans, and then it is tested on a larger group. The third phase is when the vaccine is tested on a much larger scale with tens of thousands of people. If all 3 phases are then successful, the vaccine goes to regulators. The regulation process will differ country to country and look slightly different due to the severity of COVID-19. In November, Pfizer and BioNTech announced their joint vaccine could be ready by the end of 2020, with the plan to supply up to 100 million doses if they get regulatory approval. Hot on their heels then, Moderna announced that its vaccine offers 95% protection compared to Pfizer's 90% and plans to apply for approval in the next few weeks. The University of Oxford and AstraZeneca are in phase 3 trials of their vaccine. It looks to be similar to Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine and is expected to be a success. The UK has ordered 100 million doses of the potential vaccine. When you get vaccinated will largely depend on what country you live in and how old you are, as high-risk age groups will need to be prioritised. Pfizer and BioNTech have deals to distribute in the UK, and there are plans for the UK to receive 5 million of the dual-dose Moderna vaccine by spring 2021, which could vaccinate 2.5 million people. As I mentioned before, a successful trial and regulatory approval could see stock prices in the winning vaccine rise significantly. That being said, according to some experts, this isn't all good news for investors in big pharma, as vaccines aren't that profitable in themselves, and the urgency in which they're needed to be made can sometimes siphon away resources from more profitable products. Events are changing by the hour, with new pharma companies releasing positive phase 3 data. So, unless you're a serious investor, now could be a good time to just sit back and watch the race unfold. We'll be keeping a close eye on the situation, so head to finder.com/UK for all the latest developments. Links are tagged in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button or stay tuned for our next video. As always, thanks for watching.